DOLA Custom Prescription Education, Order Details and Shell Options. Behind the design. Order Details. The top of the DOLA Custom Detailed Prescription Form collects vital order information, footwear details, and foot symmetry information on the patient. The details collected include the practice name, for account and delivery details, the order date, for order tracking and turnaround times. The prescribing practitioner allows any prescription questions to be directed to the appropriate prescriber and maintains confidentiality. Patient name or identifier allows the matching of prescription to cast, impression or scan. A patient identifier can be used to replace the patient name for confidentiality and may include initials, patient file number, or other code. Shoe size allows the cover length to be customized to the footwear to minimize in-clinic adjustment needed on dispense or incorrect cover length. Gender allows the shoe size to be matched to the gender size profiles provided by shoe companies. Symmetrical feet allows the practitioner to determine if small differences in foot morphology are to be normalized or significant differences are kept as asymmetrical. Examples include small differences in heel width normalized for the same shoe size versus asymmetry in a unilateral clubfoot kept as the patient wears two different shoe sizes. Behind the design, shell type. This section of the presentation will discuss the orthotic shell options available for prescription on the DOLA Detailed Custom Prescription Form. These include polypropylene in different flexes, EVA in 3/4 length or full length in different densities, and 3D printed in different flexes. Behind the design, polypropylene. This client needed a custom orthotic to fit a variety of footwear styles and to apply a number of intrinsic and extrinsic variables and address patient symptoms and identified risk factors. The aim of this orthotic was to fit the maximum number of footwear styles worn by the patient while achieving the prescription variables required. They used the DOLA Custom Orthotic service. They selected the direct milled polypropylene shell from the shell material options in the detailed scripting section on the DOLA Custom Prescription Form. Polypropylene is our client's most popular material choice for their orthotic shells. It is a shank independent material, direct milled out of a block of polypropylene with the offcuts recycled. It is available in a wide range of flex options, from ultra to extra firm, to suit all patient types and prescription aims. Polypropylene allows for both intrinsic and extrinsic shell prescription variables. Orthotip. 3D printed can be selected as an alternative to polypropylene. It is simply a different manufacturing technique. It is called additive manufacturing. It will produce a shank-independent orthotic shell and aims for the same performance as polypropylene. Traditionally, polypropylene can be used as a thermoplastic material, heated and vacuum pressed to a positive cast. CAD-CAM involves direct milling both sides from a block of polypropylene and allows flexibility differences to be only a fraction of a millimeter. A polypropylene orthotic acts by resisting flexion under load of the foot and can be shaped, wedged, or angled to provide orthotic reaction force as required. It will appear as a thin piece of plastic with uniform or variable thickness over the entire device. Unlike EVA, polypropylene does not require to be in full contact with the supporting surface of the shoes at all points to maintain its shape or to provide resistance to load. A shank-independent material. Therefore, the attributes of the shoe, the internal surface area, shape, and stiffness are less important than when using an EVA orthotic, a shank-dependent material. A polypropylene shell will support the foot and the arch in a shoe with a narrow waist, as it does not require support from below to resist load. The medial and lateral arch will still support the foot without touching the supporting surface. Behind the design, polypropylene flex. This client needed multiple pairs of custom orthotics with the same amount of flex or rigidity in each pair. They required consistency in flex for consistency in patient results. The orthotic aim was for consistency of orthotic reaction force and control across multiple pairs with the ability to order repeat pairs and get the same result. They were able to select from 5 options for polypropylene flex from the shell material options in the detailed scripting section of the DOLA Custom prescription form. Selecting the same flex for each pair ensured consistent results. Direct milled polypropylene is offered in 5 flex options to suit all patient types and prescription aims. Traditionally, polypropylene can be used as a thermoplastic material, heated and vacuum pressed to a positive cast. The heating and pressing process allowed inconsistency in the plastic thickness with stretch. CAD-CAM involves direct milling both sides from a block of polypropylene and allows flexibility differences to be only a fraction of a millimetre and consistency in manufacturing. The lack of heating in the manufacturing process allows consistency in the flex of the finished product. A polypropylene orthotic acts by resisting flexion under load of the foot and can be shaped, wedged, or angled to provide orthotic reaction force as required. Therefore, consistency in the product is important. DOLA offers multiple levels of polypropylene flex for prescription from ultra to extra firm to suit all patient types and prescription aims. Orthotip. Factors to consider in the flex choice for your polypropylene orthotic shell include the patient's body weight, the orthotic reaction force required, clinical test results including the manual supination resistance test, the activities the patient will undertake, and the footwear characteristics. 3D printed orthotic shells are available in the same flex options as our polypropylene range. Again, factors to consider in this choice include patient body weight, orthotic reaction force, clinical test results, planned activities, and footwear attributes. Behind the design, EVA. This client needed a custom orthotic to fit a work boot and apply a number of intrinsic and extrinsic variables to address patient symptoms and identified risk factors. They wanted this orthotic to allow easy adjustment of the prescription based on the clinical effect. The aim of this orthotic was to fit the work boot and allow easy modification. They used the DOLA Custom orthotic service. They selected an EVA shell from the shell material options in the detailed scripting section on the DOLA Custom prescription form. EVA is a popular material choice for orthotic shells. It is a shank-dependent material, direct milled from a block of EVA. It's available in density options from soft to hard and allows for intrinsic and extrinsic shell prescription variables and is easily adjusted with a grinder. Orthotip. EVA, or ethyl vinyl acetate, is one of the most popular orthotic shell materials. It can be used as a thermoplastic material, heated and vacuum pressed to a positive cast in traditional manufacturing, or direct milled from a block in CAD-CAM. An EVA orthotic acts by resisting compression under load of the foot. It will appear with a flat plantar surface and a reinforced or thicker arch area both medially and laterally. EVA requires to be in full contact with the supporting surface of the shoe to maintain its shape or provide resistance to load, otherwise known as being shank dependent. Therefore, the attributes of the shoe, the internal surface area, the shape, and the stiffness will impact on the suitability for an EVA orthotic. Dispense of EVA orthotics can involve some grinding to ensure the orthotic sits flat and stable in the foot shoe bed. If you want the lab to do the work for you, send a template using the DOLA grid for easy fitting direct from the packet. Mark the underskives or shape of the plantar surface grinds on a template and we'll do the hard work for you. The template is available at the link listed. Behind the design, full-length EVA shell. This client needed a custom EVA orthotic to fit a shoe with a removable insole. They needed to replace the existing insole volume and protect the plantar foot, while also applying a number of intrinsic and extrinsic variables to address the patient's symptoms and identified risk factors. The aim of this orthotic was to replace the current insole, but with a prescription orthotic. They used the DOLA Custom orthotic service. They selected the full-length EVA direct milled shell from the shell material options in the detailed scripting section of the DOLA Custom prescription form. Full-length direct milled EVA is a popular choice for shoes with removable insoles. It is a shank-dependent material, so relies on matching the internal characteristics of the shoe, the surface area, the shape, and the stiffness. The direct milled EVA shell is in one piece with no adhesion lines. Shoe information is vital as it is matched to the footwear length, width, shape, and forefoot thickness. Orthotip. An EVA full-length orthotic will replace the removable insole and provides an EVA forefoot extension. This can be used to provide metatarsal cutouts, apertures, or divots, provide a forefoot varus medial or forefoot valgus lateral wedge, to place dorsal additions including metatarsal dome, metatarsal bar, or reverse Morton's extension, place plantar additions including a Morton's extension, in-toeing gate plate, or out-toeing gate plate. It is used to stiffen the cover choice. Note: if a template is not provided, the full-length EVA orthotic will be supplied slightly longer and wider to allow for customization to the patient's footwear. Behind the design, 3/4 length EVA shell. This client needed a custom EVA orthotic to fit a shoe without a removable insole. It therefore required to take up minimal shoe volume, while still applying a number of intrinsic variables to the shell length device to address the patient's symptoms and identified risk factors. The aim of this orthotic was to be low bulk based on the length choice and the prescription of intrinsic or in-shell prescription variables. They used the DOLA Custom orthotic service. They selected the 3/4 length EVA direct milled shell from the shell material options in the detailed scripting section on the DOLA Custom prescription form. A 3/4 length direct milled EVA shell is popular for shoes without removable insoles. It is a shank-dependent material, so relies on matching the internal characteristics of the shoe, the surface area, the shape, and the stiffness. Direct milled EVA shell is in one piece with no adhesive lines. The shell length ends just proximal to the metatarsal heads. Orthotip. A 3/4 length EVA orthotic shell can be placed in a shoe either with or without a removable insole. It is a low bulk option for hard to fit footwear and reduces the space taken in the toe box. It can also replace the 3/4 length insoles in footwear including sandals. It still requires reinforcement to maintain shape under load, as it is shank dependent. Note: if a template is not provided, a 3/4 length EVA orthotic will be supplied with full reinforcement, allowing customization of underskives to the patient footwear. Behind the design, EVA Density. This client needed multiple pairs of custom orthotics with the same performance or characteristics in each pair. They required consistency and comfort, consistency and control, and consistency in patient results. The aim of this orthotic was for consistency in orthotic control across multiple pairs, with the ability to order future pairs and maintain this consistency. They used the DOLA Custom orthotic service. They were able to select from 3 consistent density options in the EVA direct mill section of the DOLA detailed prescription form. Direct milled EVA is offered in 3 density options to suit all patient types and prescription aims. It is direct milled from a block of EVA, avoiding inconsistency with heating and vacuum pressing. It will give you consistent performance across your orthotic densities. The density differences are designed to suit the most common patient requirements of a balance between comfort to control. It is available in 3 densities, in soft, medium, and hard. Orthotip. Factors to consider in choosing your EVA density include the patient's body weight, the orthotic reaction force required, clinical test results including the manual supination resistance test, the planned activities, and the footwear attributes. For more information on DOLA Orthotics, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Access our DOLA Custom manual at dolaorthotics.com.